In today's complex environment, managing the pharmaceutical supply chain means balancing patient safety, regulatory compliance, and operational resilience. Here are concise, practical best practices you can implement. Start with accurate demand forecasting and planning. Use integrated sales, clinical, and epidemiological data to build short and long-term forecasts. Combine statistical models with expert judgment and continuously update plans as new information arrives. Optimize inventory with a risk-based approach. Classify SKUs by criticality and demand variability, hold buffer stock for life-saving medicines, and apply lean principles for low-risk items. Use service-level targets and safety stock formulas tied to lead time variability. Ensure cold chain integrity for temperature-sensitive products. Validate packaging, use qualified temperature-controlled carriers, and monitor shipments with real-time temperature sensors and alarms. Perform end-to-end temperature mapping and retain audit trails for regulatory inspection. Strengthen supplier and contract manufacturer management. Qualify suppliers rigorously. Audit critical partners regularly. Maintain dual sourcing where feasible, and embed clear quality and delivery KPIs in contracts. Foster collaborative relationships and information sharing to improve responsiveness. Embed quality by design across the supply chain. Apply GMP principles at every step. Maintain batch traceability, and standardize procedures. Institute robust change control, deviation management, and CAPA processes to address issues quickly. Implement serialization and track and trace capabilities. Comply with regional regulations, EMA-G, DSCSA, EU FMD, and deploy systems that provide unit-level visibility from manufacturer to dispenser. This reduces diversion, counterfeiting, and recall scope. Leverage digital tools and data analytics. Use an integrated ERP or supply chain platform for real-time visibility, demand sensing, and exception management. Apply predictive analytics and AI to detect risks early and optimize replenishment. Design resilient logistics and contingency plans. Map critical nodes and single points of failure, maintain surge capacity, establish emergency sourcing agreements, and run regular business continuity and tabletop exercises. Prioritize regulatory compliance and documentation. Keep up with evolving regional requirements and ensure complete, accessible records for serialization, temperature monitoring, and quality events. Measure performance with focused KPIs. Track availability, on-time delivery, inventory turns, cold chain excursions, and order-to-delivery lead times. Use scorecards to drive continuous improvement. Invest in workforce training and culture. Train staff on GMP, cold chain handling, and digital tools, and empower cross-functional collaboration among quality, supply, and commercial teams. Finally, pursue sustainability and ethical sourcing. Reduce waste through right-sizing inventory, optimize transportation routes, and ensure suppliers meet social and environmental standards. Together, these practices build a pharmaceutical supply chain that protects patients, supports compliance, and adapts to disruption.